My name is Anand Pichai. Today in this video lecture we have focused on to the copy and moving data in Excel. How we perform the copying operation and how we perform of moving a data. Both are the very important option inside the Excel. So at first we focus on the copying. Copying refers to the duplicating data, that is the text number formula either in the same worksheet or a different one. And the moving refers to the changing the position of data either in the same worksheet or a different one. That means copying refers to the if you perform the copy operation, that means you have created the duplicate data inside it. And the moving means whatever the position of the previous data that is going to interchange and find out onto the new position or a new location on the Excel sheet. And both operation can be performed on the temporary location in the computer memory, that is called clipboard. That clipboard is the location where we find out the whatever we have copying and whatever we have moving, all data are preserved inside the clipboard. To move or copy the data, we use cut, copy and paste command. That is the simple. So here the practical scenario you have find out, this one is the table report, and whatever it select like a B4 to D4. The first is the copying and pasting the data of the operation. It select the range from B4 to D4. You have find out the has dotted manner of the line, that is the selection point. After that it perform the copy option. After copy it perform the paste operation, but both are performed through the clipboard group. It is the normal process, and after that you have find out the duplicacy of data will be created here. In the example you have find out the 101 and Kabir and total marks 82 also be display on the next location F6 101 Kabir and 82. This one is the very simple process. Next one you have find out the moving data around. What we perform moving? You have shifting the data on the Excel sheet. In this example, you have find out the Ridhima and Ankur marks are the going to the highlighted. That perform the moving the data. How we move it? You have find out whatever the data you have selected, perform, select. After that, you have wait. The pointer will be changed in the plus mark, plus arrow mark. In thin plus arrow mark, when the pointer is changed, you have drag. Where you have dragged the location, drag the pointer, the value is automatically shifted and display there. So this is the common kind of process we can do in the practical manner. Again, I open the Excel sheet that contains the report kind of value, their roll number, name, total percentage. First I select the 102 and Ridhima and perform the copying operation. How we perform the copying operation? We have to move on to the simple process. You have find out the copy. When we perform the copying, a dash border style will be performed. After whatever place like a G4 I have pasted. You have moved to the paste option from here. Okay, just it is going to the paste it. Again we have select the 104 and you have right click option. After right click you have find out also that there is the copy option. This one is the copy option. Either you can use it, and after that again we have performed the paste operation. So again you have find out this one is the copy and copy operation only, and you have find out duplicacy of the data will be created. 102 Ridhima 79. This data will again repeated on the same sheet. Again 104 Manas will be repeated on the same sheet. We can also add the different sheet and perform the same operation, right click and paste operation. You have find out data will become onto the next sheet also. Okay, so either we can perform the copy operation. Now we move to the second practical scenario of the moving. How we perform? Select the Manas, Ranji and Ankita, 3 student marks, and wait to the big kind of plus can be converted to thin kind of plus. Now we have performed the dragging operation. This kind of weight angular kind of plus. Now we perform the dragging operation. We have find out the marks will be shifted where we have dragged. Again we perform the control Z operation to the previous location. Now again I have select the 107 Tanvi and she got 63 marks. Again this kind of angular plus will be turned to change the big kind of plus in the angular plus. Now I have again performed the shifting operation. You find out this shifting process will be going on and place here. Now this row is vacant. So by using moving operation you have find the data on the only that location, new location only, not the previous location. Okay, the same operation can be performed through the cut option. We have select some data here. Moving the data is similar to the cut operation. You have go to the clipboard cut option and now you have find out dotted lines will be created. Now I select the new location and paste option. You have find out the data will be transferred onto the new location. The same things are also happen to the, again we perform the right click, perform the cut operation, and this time we have shift the data onto the sheet 2. Select any kind of cell and perform the paste operation. The data will be shifted here. Okay, only Ankita, this not be correct. Again we move on to the sheet 1. Only I have Ankita. Now we have select the 104 or 105 data and perform the cut operation from the clipboard section. Now move to the sheet 2 and I have pressed click, select any cells and perform the paste operation. You have find out the data will be moved onto the new sheet and it is disappear from the previous sheet. So this is the very simple process to moving the data or copying the data, whatever you have want to perform in the proper manner. Try to do it in the practical manner according to the book. There are the step and the help to this video lecture. Okay. Thank you and have a good day.